I just see when I pointed nose. He make a guy out here, forget it. He make a women there. Timothy, I called you. I called. Hi. Nico. Kedu? Huh? Nico, bring it down, bro. Kedu?
Kedu? What? Yeah?
Kedu? That is, how are you? Kedu?
Good. You?
No, I want to carry you. I want to carry you. You have to Kedu?
Kedu?
Adema.
Adema.
Okay.
Okay.
Warana Bago.
Wanana Bago.
It is too much. Yeah, Jackson, man.
Yeah.
I'm going to enjoy a I'm a disgusting personality. I won't ever operate on a libo. And Riham Kuru.
Said. I don't understand.
No, said. Okay, I'm going English. I spoke under English, you spoke onto Igbo. Aha mo wo chief Imo. Aha go one your name.
I have no idea what is.
So what's your name? Your name is yeah.
Tennis.
Table tennis. Your real name?
Tennis.
Tennis straight. Aha na go straight. Na tennis straight. Mo akwan Imo. Bonkwem. Yeah, say bonkwem.
Bonkwem?
Emeti Salamoyi. Say Imo bonkwem.
Do it again.
Imo bonkwem.
Imo bonkwem.
Hey, Abuala Monkonisio. Hey, you're welcome. Nice one. Are you a cinematographer?
What?
Are you a photographer or a videographer?
Videographer.
Oh, videographer. Muna mwamu we kuregrapher. I know about to honor Kainano. Oh, good friend to Nancy. Wow. I know. I'm a good friend to. Hey, hello, your friend, Monka. A good friend to good friend. I'm a good friend to good friend. Imo, my friend. The Moa Imo. Imo West Nancy. So Chief Imo and Engineer Imo equals to Imority. You want to go? Nice to meet you. Like, where are you from? England? From Germany? Who are from Oriekwe? Canberra. Not a line at Germany. Oriekwe. You know?
Smith. It would be easier to pronounce. Smith. It would be like a surname.
Hey.
In the UK, it would be Smith.
I'm going to go now. I'm going to go yeah. I don't know. Come on, I hear my master Smith Bagria. Meet. No, towards the end. Nice to meet you. Oh, you're welcome. I'm a distinguished, and you are this what? Table tennis. Full stop. Koran the aka na do easy. Koran no onye ocha aka. Oh. I want my life to be here cause.
Obo awada cultural dance. Obo. Yes, sir. Right now, I have the presence of Patrick Iwu, the managing director of Patrick. Yes, the traditional prime minister, Agudabela community. Patrick Iwu, Ezumezu. ezumezu ya